Do you have gas? Are you suffering from gear acquisition syndrome? Well, this is one of the things that's probably ruining your net income, your business, and your life. That's definitely really extreme. But today I'm giving you 5 things that are definitely affecting your photography business. And gear acquisition syndrome can definitely be one of those things. By eliminating our need for bigger, better, more expensive gear, we can concentrate on what we really need to concentrate on, and that is our business, our craft, and our success. I am definitely guilty from time to time at buying things that look really, really good, that are shiny and new, but I probably didn't need them. And you can too if you really try hard. If we stick together, we can get through this together. Gas affects all of us at some point, but it's one thing that definitely cuts into our business, our success, and our wallets. So guys, today I'm giving you 5 things that are gonna potentially affect your photography business. Gas being the first one. And if you don't know who I am, my name's Stefan Malloch. I do a lot of photography and filmmaking news reviews and tutorials here on YouTube. So if you do enjoy this type of content and you want to see more just like it, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button and join the community. Number 2 is not specializing in something. You obviously are better at some certain aspects of photography than others. Nobody's perfect at everything, but if you do niche down and really decide to specialize in something, you can attract people that are looking for that certain thing. Now, by no means should you specialize in just one certain thing because, well, that really limits your amount of business. But if you do niche down somewhat and really focus on a couple or a handful of things, you can get better results. It's better to be known for something than try to do everything and inevitably fail. So really think about what aspect of photography you're most passionate about. Definitely go that route, and then maybe go a little bit outside that and see what else you're good at and that you enjoy doing, and maybe push those things a little bit. Number 3, utilize social networks. Get the word of mouth out. Even if you're a new photographer, you probably haven't told everybody that you know what you're doing. Be proud of your craft, even if you're not the best. There's always people that are better than you, I promise. So get out there, put your name out there, be proud of the work that you do. Always strive to improve, but definitely use your network and your social networks to throw yourself out there and definitely generate more business. It is a huge benefit to us. A lot of the resources that we have are completely free. Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, here on YouTube, there's just endless constant possibilities emerging all the time. And if you're not utilizing them, you are completely and absolutely missing out. Number 4 is stop underselling yourself. Know what you're worth and stick to it. By no means should you be discounting if you've been around the block, if you have the experience and you know that your stuff and your work is good enough. Absolutely learn to sell yourself. You are a salesman. You're an artist, but you must be a salesman if you want money out of, well, anything. That's just the way it is. So it doesn't have to be daunting. Learn how to sell yourself. Learn little tips and tricks. Not everybody's a great salesman, but you really don't need to be to prove to people what value you hold. So that's really all it is knowing how to add value to your proposition, to your work, and you will have much better results. But stop undervaluing yourself. There's really no need to charge absolutely nothing. Maybe if you're just getting started for the first few months, but for the most part, yeah, nobody should be working for free. I don't care who you are, you have value, and definitely know that deep inside, be confident about it and stick to it. And number 5, the last one might sound simple, but you wouldn't believe how many people are not actually asking for business. That's what I'm talking about. You need to ask for people's business. And I mean, like all the time, ask for business. You have to put it out there because if you don't ask, you're never gonna get anything. Ask for business, guys. Get comfortable asking. What's the worst that could happen? People say no, and you learn rejection. You learn how to be comfortable with the no, and the yeses will come much more easier. In fact, the more you hear no, the easier it is to understand why, and you'll get less of them. So in fact, failing is actually a really good thing. Fail as much as you possibly can so that you know what not to do so that you can inevitably succeed in everything. there you go. There's my 5 tips and things right off the bat really quickly that you can implement into your photography business to take it to the next level. Guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Join the community. Make sure you drop all your questions and your comments down below. Let me know the things that work for you. And like always, make mistakes, be yourself, and get out there and take some more pictures. See you next time.